I stopped the bot there. As you can see, we run 5 contracts. We are at $4,915. The bot was untouched, and it did very well. I think that as far as the way the bot works, it works very well. We actually run our own SPY money bars, and by using the SPY money bars, it actually makes the trend and everything a lot better. It is not anything like on the market. It is 100% SPY money technology, and it works very well. What we end up doing is we usually wait and turn the bot on a little bit after the open, and it usually does really well. Right now we're sitting at 100%. And how much more would you want? You 100%. You put $5,000 on the trade. You're making $4,915, and I'm done. So I did 100% return on investment. And if you're into real estate and stuff, you just don't make that kind of money. So that's how the bot works. You can see the trades here that it's entered and exited. You watched it 100% live. And if you'd like to get started with SPY money, then go to our website and you'll see a little video here how to go about doing it and get started. The bot is fully functional, works very well. We have all the filters that we need on there, and it actually runs virtual. You don't even run it on a chart, you run it virtual. And then you can turn the chart on so you can watch it. That's what we just did. So that bot is not even on this chart. It's running virtual, and you can start and stop it as you want. That's the only function you can do. You got run and stop, which is right here, and you can run that, and once you get your target, you just turn it off. But now during that time that it's running, you can move your stops and take profits. You can put your other levels and so forth on there and get that going. So get started today. We are fully functional, running the SPY money platform. There are no other hidden fees. You pay the monthly lease, and that's all. The platform's included. The only thing you have to do is get a ampfutures.com account, or run it on any prop firm that has Rhythmic connection. It will not work on Tradeify. It only works on the Rhythmic. So get started today. And one question that I had come up over the weekend was they wanted to know if I had access to their account since this is my platform. No, I do not. The only money that I make is your monthly lease. I have no access to your brokerage account or your Rhythmic accounts or anything. I can't even see what you're doing. The only thing I do is allow you to use my platform. Use my platform, and all the money and so forth is all yours. It has nothing to do with me. So if you have any questions, let me know. Love to get you started. We have several people signing up, getting started, making money immediately. We did live training Friday. I did live training Sunday, yesterday. And I'm doing another one today at 10:30. That's in 35 minutes that I'll be doing, well, from the recording this. I'll be doing live training at 10:30 to explain how to use things real good. And the more live training we do, the easier it is on everyone to be able to make a decision on if they should do this or not. And as far as how to enter the trade, how to exit the trade, what is the best scenarios and so forth. And I go over all that. I train you. You can run the bot, or you can do it manual. Now, there are indicators that we run. I don't show it on the public for running the bot, but there are indicators and stuff that I have made that we use, and it gives you the signals of when to enter and when to exit. But running the bot, the only thing I wanted to do was just show you how it's working. And we've actually had, since I shut this off, let's see, the last trade was, the exit was at 9:49. So since then, there has been 1, 2, 3 more winners since then. And but again, hit your goals and quit. 2,500 is actually the goal that I had set, but I wasn't watching, and I ended up making 49.15. So watch this little video, get started, and we would love to have you in the group. You can get started today. It's not hard. The platforms are very easy. All kinds of videos and such to get it downloaded, and your indicators and everything that we use are actually in the settings already. So as soon as it starts up, it's already on your chart. There's not really a lot to learn to it. It does very well. If you have any questions, let me know. Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you how to get started with the Spy Money strategies and bots. So what you want to do is go to Spy Money LLC right up here. And once you go there, you're going to have different tabs up here that you can look at. You can look at our homepage here. You can see different, like this one right here, no more ghost orders. We've got the Spy Money platform now available. You can see some live trading and so forth. A little bit about me if you want to read about me. And also up here, just to get right to it, if you want to lease Spy Money strategies and bots, you go to the lease program right up here. Once you go here, there's a few things you have to do in order to get a link to be able to join. One thing is I want to make sure everybody understands what they are getting into and what they're leasing and how it all works. So it is $1,300 a month. It is a 30-day lease. And what you have to do here is you have to scroll down and you have to agree to these 14 items. Once you read through this and you agree to it, and the number one thing is SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. You should never really do that. You should always be there to help manage it. Sometimes we have a lot of volatility that comes in and messes things up, so you need to be there to watch it. But what you want to do is if you agree to all this, you start from the top, you scroll all the way down here, and you right click and go to copy. Once you go to copy, you come up to contact us, and you want to put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If this is not all here, I will not send you the link to do it. Once you are approved, I will send the link. So you right click in here, put in your information, and then click submit, and if approved, then your link will be sent to you. So we're going to go back to the lease program. I'm going to show you a little bit about that. And down toward the bottom, it's just showing what you're going to get. You're going to get the auto trading bots. We actually have another one coming out. I'm still working on, but probably just between those two. Coaster does an exceptional job. The Avenger is something just a little different. We may or may not release, but the Coaster is all you need. Then we also have some indicators. We have more indicators than this in the Spy Money package, but I don't have them listed yet. But these are the main ones that you need, and they work very well. Here's some frequently asked questions. Read through these. I'm sure that your question is probably answered here. If not, go to contact us and send me a message. And if you need to speak to me, just put your phone number, when's a good time, and I'll try to work it in the schedule and give you a shout. And if you have any questions or anything, you let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. You can go through these tabs up here. We do have a VPS program. We partnered up with someone. We found it better to let them do VPS and us do strategies, bots, and indicators. But if you click on here, the medium one is all you really need. You can do the others if you like, but the medium is all you need. So you can go up here. You can look at funded accounts. We have different prop firms that we recommend. And once you click on there, there's 3 of them here. You can click on those. It'll take you to each one of them. They all have their pluses and minuses, and there's some coupons down here. I personally like the static. At BluSky has a 300,000 static, and I think for the money it's probably the best deal. There's no trailing drawdown. You just don't lose $5,000. That's the only rule really. And there is a consistency rule. I think it's 30%, I believe it is. But anyway, just click on there. You can read about it. Take Profit is a pretty decent one. Apex as well. Apex has up to 20 accounts. So if you're just trying to get maybe a couple $100 a day per account, multiply that by 20, then that's a lot of money. So look through those, pick the one that you like, read through the rules and so forth. They change frequently, so it's best to just read through what they have. Again, you go up to the lease program. Once you go up here, you're going to be able to send that information to me, and this is a little video that shows how to do it as well. But once you send this to me, if approved, you can get started really quick, and $1,300 a month is the only thing that you pay, and we do have our own platform which works really well. Have any questions, let me know.